Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to calculate the majority and the minority carrier concentration in an P-type compensated semiconductor. So for calculating the majority and the minority carrier concentration in an P-type compensated semiconductor, so we know that for the P-type compensated semiconductor, the value of the acceptor ion concentration, that is Na, is greater than the value of donor ion concentration. So according to the charge neutrality condition, we can write that total positive charge, that is Nd plus P, will be equals to the total negative charges, that is Na plus N. But according to the mass action law, we can find the value of this N, that is the minority carrier concentration N, as Ni square divided by P. Now if we substitute this N value in this equation number 1, then we can get Nd plus P is equals to Na plus Ni square divided by P. Now further simplification of this equation will give as P square minus P Na minus Nd minus Ni square equals to 0. So this equation is a second order equation of the value of P. So from this second order equation we can find the value of P, and the value of P will be like this: Na minus Nd divided by 2 plus root over of Na minus Nd divided by 2 whole square plus Ni square. So this equation will give the concentration of the holes, that is the majority carrier concentration, in the P-type compensated semiconductor. Similarly, using the mass action law, we can find the minority carrier concentration as N is equals to Ni square divided by P. So these two equations will give the majority and the minority carrier concentration in an P-type compensated semiconductor. So this is all about this procedure of calculation of minority and majority carrier concentration in an P-type compensated semiconductor. Thank you.